Viewmark Films' most popular documentary has had a makeover since its release over 10 years ago. Remastered in HD, content has been increased to a movie length of 90 minutes. Packed with rare footage, interviews and images, Flying Boats on the Clarence is aviation history at its best. Not sold in stores. Purchase online. Visit viewmarkfilms.com.au. That's viewmarkfilms.com.au. A great gift for any gift-giving occasion.